G'day team, it's Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Ford Ranger, stock reference number 5877. This shape ran from 06-2015 to the 4th of 2022. It is a P5AT 5-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by an auto 4-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our P5AT 5-cylinder 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Radiator grille. Left-hand headlight, left front guard, burn marks at the top, good private. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Bonnet, burn marks, good private. Left-hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Left-hand tail light. Tailgate, 2 dents. Right-hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. 1 dent, sorry. Right front door, no dents. Right-hand mirror. Right front guard, snorkel, insurance. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 17-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor. Tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio cruise and phone buttons.